Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and these just arrived today, so I pre-ordered these from the greeting farm. If you weren't able to pre-order these, I do have these in the shop. They're no longer available at the greeting farm. Once these are gone, they are gone, unless the greeting farm decides to bring them back later on. But there's 3 of them, and they're really cute. They got the front and the back, and they're perfect to make shrink-eating keychains or spinner cards. You can get really creative with this. I love that it has the front and the back. Look at the little jean pockets in the back. It's so cute. And this is the Frappuccino one. So there's a little separate Frappuccino and then a sentiment hey there and a heart. And it is just so adorable. Look at how cute that is. I love it. And then we've got the coffee one. There's a little cat button on her hat. Look at you see the little poof in the back and her ponytail. That is so cute. What's up? And then there's an arrow and another latte mug. And then the cupcake one. So we've got the sentiment hello cupcake, a rose and a little cupcake. And I love how you can see the little rose in her hair in the back, and look at her little curls in the back. It's just so cute. So when I say spinner card is where you stamp both of these, cut them out, sandwich them together with a string in between, and you can have your card with a opening in the middle, and then you can sandwich the string on both ends, and then when you close the card, spin it as much as you can spin it, then close the card, and then when the recipient takes it out of the envelope and opens it, it spins. So really cute. Or if you didn't want to do a spinner, you can just have like an opening in the card, have her on the front and have her on the back. I mean, just so cute. So I'll have the link down below to the greeting farm section in the shop. I have a feeling these are going to go fast, so shop early for the best selection. You can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order. Thanks guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys!